The Wiley eText for Montgomery and Runger Applied Statistics and Probability for Engineers is an affordable, convenient, and useful version of the classic text. It's always close at hand, downloadable on up to 4 devices for easy reference at any time or place. Let's take a look at how the content and the eText platform function together to provide a valuable, effective learning tool for students learning engineering statistics. Each chapter has an extensive collection of exercises, including end-of-section exercises that emphasize the material in that section, and supplemental exercises at the end of the chapter that cover the scope of chapter topics that require the student to make a decision about the approach they will use to solve the problem, and mind-expanding exercises that often require the student to extend the text material somewhat or apply it in a novel situation. Among these exercises are thousands or hundreds of relevant data sets from engineering contexts where students are equipped to perform the kinds of hypothesis tests expected of engineers. Numerous answers and solutions are provided along with most odd-numbered exercises. Definitions, key concepts, and equations are highlighted by boxes to emphasize the importance throughout the text and linked where relevant for quick reference. Learning objectives at the start of each chapter guide the students in what they are expected to take away from the chapter and serve as a reference for studying. The Montgomery text introduces a sequence of 7 steps in applying hypothesis testing methodology and explicitly refers to this procedure in relevant examples. Numerous figures throughout the text illustrate statistical concepts in multiple formats. Examples throughout the book use computer output to familiarize the student with the reports generated by statistical software. Example problems provide the student with detailed solutions and comments for interesting real-world situations that offer brief practical interpretations. The content is fully searchable, annotatable, with powerful Boolean search of the entire text content. Students benefit from multimodal learning support, from hundreds of clear and engaging example videos and video solutions and interactives included along with relevant problems and examples. A study-friendly notebook functionality enables students to create highlights and notes easily and even share them with study partners. These highlights and notes and the key terms and figures can easily be reviewed at any time from the left nav bar, and when it comes time to review, they can create flashcards from their notes and highlights and enter review mode, which lets them follow the path through their notes alongside the text. Wiley eText helps students learn engineering statistics from an engineering perspective efficiently and study effectively anytime, any place.